I have literally just finished this 1963 15-foot Scotty with a potty. Now, you've been following along, I'm sure, but it's finished now, and I have got to admit, pat myself on the back, this is beautiful, and I can't wait to show it to you, because at the end, I've never done this before. At the end of this video, I am going to put the price that this is for sale. It's a no dicker sticker. We're not going to talk about it. It's priced just right. So that'll be the price, and you'll see it at the end of the video. But before we get to that, I want to show you two things real quick, less than a minute and a half. Just check this out, and then I'm going to walk you through the reveal of the 1963 15-foot Scotty with a potty. Just a quick reminder, if you're ready to camp right now, you can do it from Rob the Rebuilder. We've got two vintage campers under $12,000 each, the 59 Scotsman and the 54 Aloha. This is the interior of the Scotsman. A guy asked me the other day, what should I know about this Scotsman? I'm going to tell you, the only thing you need to know is when you pull into the campground, you've got the only one, and everyone is going to stop and ask you about it, and they're going to want a tour. If you're that kind of camper person, this is the camper for you. Now, the Aloha, what do you need to know about that? Understated elegance. Everything in here is smooth, clean, makes you think of 1954. So if you want clean and elegant, the Aloha is for you. Now, let me show you about that Scotty. All right, let me walk you through it. Brand new safety chains, brand new 4-pin connector, brand new jack. Went through all the windows, new screen. Hey, I had a Scotty sticker still. Brand new skin, all brand new, up to the roof. Iconic Scotty color, matching wheels, brand new tires. Your 30 amp service, of course. Your potty closet window, all reworked. All the windows reworked. I don't have to keep telling you that. There's your vent for the hot air out. Look, whoa, gutters all refinished. Look at that. I even was able to reuse the original lights. You know those are getting rare and they're hard to find. And I was able to reuse the tail lights. I had to rebuild them, but we got them. And there is a new tag light. Boom. Of course, we've talked about windows. All brand new. All brand new from Max Aluminum, MACS. And of course, we've got the other original there. We've got a baggage door going in right there. Two windows in the back, plus the back window. I know, you're proud of me. I know. Water in and water out. Wait, it's on the wrong side, Rob. No, not on a 15-foot Scotty. There is your electric out on the outside here. How about that? Yeah, you like that, don't you? 63. Look at that cool window in that door. Brand new door, aluminum from Max Aluminum. And I rebuilt the whole thing, including the window. Works perfectly. Let's go on in. All right, let me take you inside. Scotty. And there's our drop down. Walk in, drop down. We've got brand new upholstery, brand new. There is our Scotty drop-down table. And it does drop down into a bed. Pine cone light, original Humphrey, but instead of a glass globe, we went ahead and made our own to go with a lot of the metal that we're using inside. Plenty of storage up top. And I went ahead and made a magazine rack. Pretty cool. And it matches the table, which matches the belt on the potty. So we've got two outlets here. They're on separate circuits. One's for the AC, one's for the refrigerator. And the top one gives us a light, a little bar light up there. Let me back out here just for a second so you can take a look. Awesome. Scotty with the potty. And there is our 3.2 cubic foot refrigerator. It does have a freezer on top, refrigerator at the bottom. Our AC venting out and down. And then the out is hot air, fresh air vents up. Our 30 amp electric is underneath here with a box. That is our storage for underneath. And looky here. Look at all of that storage. Plenty of storage in here. Well, let's look up here. Okay. More storage. More storage with a shelf even. New faucet. New sink. Of course, we trimmed everything out to try to keep continuity. Even going across the back, there's our other Scotty emblem. The shelf is even trimmed out. All of the windows, brand new screens, all reworked. I know we already talked about that. Here's another light that we rebuilt to match the front light. And another original vintage light right here over the kitchen that matches the rest of our Wilson art. We've got an outlet there. We've got two there and one there. Plenty of outlets to keep you doing whatever it is you're gonna do. Let's get a good shot in here at the potty closet. Plenty of room for a porta potty right there. Let me sit down here and just give you a good look how beautiful that is up front. Yep. She's a beauty. All right, well, I guess we have talked enough, and it's time for me to tell you the no dicker sticker price. I mean, remember, I don't add money just so that I can take money off. I just see what it costs me to build it, and then I put a little time and trouble into it, and that's the price. That's just the price. Don't get mad, because this one is made to sell. All right, here's your price.